When I'm talking about SOP form, basically, if you can see here the equation, A bar is 0, 0 is B bar, 0 is C bar. Same way, 0, 0 is A bar, B bar, whereas 1 is indicated as C. Now, based on these positions, either you can fill a truth table or a K-map, or from the K-map, you can find out the positions. Now, what we have done, wherever these values, since it is written in a SOP form, what we have done, SOP means 1. So we are writing 1 in the respective positions that we have found out from the equation. So we have come to know about the positions of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. With that, either we are filling ones or with the help of A bar, B bar, C bar. We all know that if you see the first position, that is 0, you can see 0, 0, 0. That makes it A bar, B bar and C bar. Either you can find out a position from there. But always filling directly is easy. So now here we will take a small example. Here in a K map, like I take, we can either take 2 in 3 out of 3 inputs. You can either combine AB together or you can combine BC together. Here in the previous example, you have seen AB together and C was separate. Here we are taking A together, BC separate. But as I said, when you're making a K map out of it, you should be very careful. If you're taking single input, then what you should take care is 0 and 1 should come. That makes it A bar and A. When you're taking two inputs together, then two combinations should be together. That means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. So when single input was there, you took single digits. When double input was there, you took double digits. That you have to be careful with. Then we are taking first input vertically and other two inputs horizontally. Now, the position of 0, 1 will always be same. Now here, if I go ahead with it, it should always be, the 2 should come here, remember that, and 3 should come here. So it will be written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then same way here also things will change. The 6 should come here and 7 should come here. So now how it looks like? It is actually 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So what we have done, we have filled as 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now, how to solve this? We can solve it. So if you see, first thing we have to do is we have to see where the ones are together. So you can see in 0 and 4 position, ones are together. Rest all positions are filled with all the zeros. Now we can fill it in either way. Either we can write it, means in the question when you get the equation, you can either figure it out. What is the position of the ones? So here in the question only they have given 0 and 4. So we can directly fill 0 and 4 and rest all we know will be 0. Now we will see, is there any possibility of combining these two ones? So yes, we, since 1, 0 and 4 are very close to each other vertically, we can just convert it into a pair. Now how to solve it? We can just write it as, how to see? Let's see the 0 position. So 0 position says A bar. I am taking this A bar. Other two are B bar and C bar. Yes. Next, remember this is in SOP form. So first I have done product, then I have done summation. Now I am taking the fourth position. I can see here, I can see that A is single. So I have written A. And then if I go to B and C, they are 0, 0. That means it comes as B, C. Now, what is the next step? What is common here? I can take common as B bar and C bar. I'm left with A bar plus A. Now we know A bar plus A is 1. So what is our final answer? Final answer makes it B and C. Remember, Don't forget to mention the rule that you have used here. If you are solving it with Boolean expression, you should mention it here as, we got this because we know that A bar plus A is equal to. Now, this is one way of solving. So if you see the answer here, you will find the answer that we have got is, that is, yeah, you can see the answer we have got is B bar and C bar. Fine. So this is how we are going to solve it. Now we will go to the next question. Now we have seen that first we are taking common, then we are making an equation, then we are finding out. Now here, once you have a practice, you can also directly find it out. Now in this question, you can see 4 and 5 is the question, which they say, since it's a summation sign, we came to know that it is a SOP form. So in SOP form, let's see the fourth position. This is your fourth position, we have written 1. And this is your fifth position, so we have written 1. Now you can see, since 1 and 1 are very close to each other, horizontally they can make a pair. Now how to write the equation? We have seen, first we will go with A we have taken. Then this first position, I mean fourth position, if you see, says B bar, C bar. Since it is a SOP form, product and then summation. Then let's go to the fifth position. That says A is whole. So A. Then you can see here B is bar 0 and C is direct. So we can write it as B bar C. Next step, let's see what is common here. A is common here. B is also common here. Then what is left is C bar plus C. Now we know the rule that C bar plus C makes it 1. So we are left with A, B. So you can see the answer here is A, B bar. So this is how you can solve it. Now let's make it a little bit more shorter. How to see it now? Here, let's still few more practices we will do it. Then we will go for a still shortcut we are having. Okay, so now how to do it with 4? Now here you can see we have 4 ones, 0, 1, 4, 5 positions which are very close to each other. So how we will fill it? Summation indicates SOP. So we will pick up only ones. 0 position, 1 we have filled. 1 position, 1 we have filled. 4 position, 1 we have filled. And 5 position, 1 we have filled. Okay, after that, let's see what else can we do. You can see all 4 are together. So we can make it a quad. Remember, if quad is possible, don't go for pair. We will prefer to go with pair. Okay. Sorry, we will prefer to go with quad, not with a pair if all 4 are together. So let's see here. What is the situation? I will put a bracket here. So I am taking first position that says A bar. Then what about this? This makes it B bar, C bar. Okay. Then here I am having second position, that is A bar, and I'm having B bar here, and I'm having C here. And let's go to fourth position. So I will see here A is there and A is there and B bar and C bar is there. And then if I go to the fifth position, I can see I have A and I have B bar and I'm having C. So if you can see here, these two, the above one and the lower one, that is 0, I'm talking about the first row, that was 0 and 1, and then 4 and 5. These positions, if you see, you will find lot of things are common here. So let's find it out. What is common here? So I will.
In second term, A bar, B bar, C, man.
Very good.
Written plus.
Acha, this one, we missed something. This is A bar, B bar. Okay, thank you. So now let's see what can we do it here. Let's see what is common. We can see A bar is common here in first two terms. Then B bar is common here. I can take it C bar plus C. Yes. Then let me take the next term. That makes A is common here and B bar is common here. I am left with C bar plus C. We know that the terms together make it 1. So we are left with A bar, B bar. That makes it 1. Plus I'm going with A and B bar. Okay, one more thing can be taken common. So I will take it as B bar as common. I'm left with A bar plus A. That makes it 1. I'm left with B bar. So you can see the answer we have got it single. That one thing that we can conclude is that when we have pair, the 3 variables has reduced to 2. When we are having quad, the 3 variables have reduced to 1. That means as big the combination is, that small number of variables we will get. That's the reason we prefer quad over the pair. Same way we will do this next question. Now let's go directly. Now here also you can see. As I say, K-map is basically more easier than solving any Boolean expression. So let's see how we got this. Can we directly solve this time without using the Boolean expressions one by one? Just be very careful when I'm doing it. Any doubt, do let me know. First thing, we got summation sign. That means it's an SOP. We will use only once. We have put the positions in 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 0, 1, this 2 will come here. 2 will come here and 3 will be right. Remember this, same way it will come here. 7 will come here and 6 will go here. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now, here what we are having? 0, 1, 2, and 3, all ones together. Now, how to solve it? So let's take A. If you see this entire horizontal row is having A as common, we can take A as common, right? Then we have taken A as common because it's a common for all the things. Now, if you see here, this 0, they both are 0. That means here, let's solve it now. How we will write it at? This will come as, let me take the first term, that makes it B bar and C bar. Then comes the next term, that makes it B bar and C. That let me see this term, this makes it B and C. If I go with the last term, that makes it B, C bar. Yes? Now, we will just see, can we trace out something common? Yes, I think a lot of things can be common here. Let's take A common. Then we are left with first two terms. We are having B bar as common. Naturally, C bar plus C will make it 1. So I am not writing anything. Then BC and BC bar, what you can see? B is common. C bar plus C makes it 1. Now here again, if you see, B bar plus B makes it 1. So I'm going directly with the answer that says A. So what we have done, sorry, A bar should be there. We missed something. Yes, this was A bar. We missed it here. It should be A bar everywhere. So the answer we have got it is also with A bar. Okay. Now, if you, is it clear how we got it? We tried to do it little bit more shortcut, where instead of going step by step, we directly went to the answer. Is this clear how we got it? If you want, yes. I will do step by step. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So can you try this question now? Try this and give me the answer. Try this one. We are having a pair and it's an horizontal line. So naturally A bar comes as common. Just see. What is your answer?
A bar into C.
Yes.
A bar C.
Okay. See what we have got it? We have got it as A bar and C. Now here, one thing you can see that here in this position B bar and B, they were complementary to each other. That means when the variables are complementary to each other, we can directly cancel and we can get the answer. So very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. It's A bar C. So now you can see that no need to solve the entire Boolean expression to reach the answer. You can directly pick up from the K map and you can solve it. Now here, can see directly. Now we are going directly. If you see the first part, what it is there, you can see we are having 0, 0 here, 1, 0 here. That means C bar is common here. So if I want to write it, I can write it as here C bar is common. Now one C bar is common. If you see here the position A is also horizontally, both the positions are in A, so we are getting A. So final answer you got it as A C bar. Same way, if you see the second example, you can see here, we will see the horizontal row. A bar is common. You can directly write A bar as common. Now let's see the vertical positions. Here, what is complement? Here C, B and here B bar and B is getting complement. That means they will get cancelled. What you are left with here? C bar and C bar. So C bar. You can get the direct answer. Easy, right? That's the reason we say K map is a shortcut to all the Boolean expressions, because we can directly find the answer out of it. Only what is important is the way you keep the position of these values is important. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. It's very important. If this is right, your answer is right. Now here you can see, first thing we will see is first horizontal line, or you can take vertical line. Anything is fine for us. So if I take the first horizontal line, then I can see A bar was common for me. Yes, and if I look at BC, I will find only C is common, whereas B and B bar is cancelling each other. Then if I see next horizontal line, I will find A is common. Whereas again same thing, that B bar, C bar and B bar, C bar and B, C bar. C bar is same, rest all is complementary. So you can find that here, what we can go with, sorry, C is same, rest all is complementing. So what is changing here? You can see the change. One is, we have seen that when this positions, when we make a quad, you can see 0, 1 is complementary to each other. So whatever values you put, automatically they will just cancel out each other. So we are left only with the vertical part. In vertical also, if you see in B bar, C bar and B, C bar, B bar and B are complementary. That means naturally we are left with only C bar. So that is how we got the answer of C bar. Yeah, easy, right? So what we have done, we have to, first thing is, we need to find it out. It is SOP or POS. Once we have done that, second thing is, we should see the positions. The position of 0, 1, 2 and 3 should be placed together. So it looks like 0, 1, 3 and 2. That positions 1 should be placed together if it is a SOP. And then you have to see that what is the maximum combinations you can do. Wherever quad is possible, go with quad. Where pair is possible, go for pair. Preference will always be given to quad first and then to pair. Now here if you see, in first position, second and third, they all are roll-on position. Roll-on means, in earlier examples we have seen that here either it was been combined horizontally, or it was combined in a form of a quad, or it was in a form of vertical. So we have seen vertical pairing, we have seen quad, we have seen horizontal combination of quad, then horizontal pairing. Now here we can make a roll-on. Roll-on means if they are placed just opposite to each other, it's like rolling a paper. If you roll a paper, you can see that both the edges will come close to each other. That is what is done here. So because of that, when you roll the first question, 1 and 1 comes close to each other and we can call it as a pair. Same way we have done in the second example and in the third example, that when you roll on, it is becoming a quad. Because of that, they are able to cancel. So now it's easy how we will solve it. First thing we will see is 0, 1 is coming together, they are complementary to each other. That entire term will be cancelled. Now, whatever is same, like in the third question, you can see C bar and C bar are same. So that becomes the answer. But you need a lot of practice. With practice, you will find it is very easy to do. Next. Here, with 4 variables, you can do the same way. How we have done, here you can see the question is given as 0 and 8. 0 and 8 means we will fill it in the 0 position. How it will come? 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Then we will go to extreme this 8, 9, 11 and 10. Then 12, 13, 15 and 14. You remember we said whenever the terms comes more than 15 or more than 14, that is the last term is 15, we get an idea that this is 4 input variable. Now here in the question only they have mentioned that this is 4 input variable, so we can directly substitute it here. Now here what they have given, the question here, how to make it now. 0 is the position and 8 is the position where ones are been given. How do we know? Summation indicates SOP sign. Then the 0, 8 we have got it in the question. We have substituted here. Ones are substituted in 0 and 8. Once we have done, let's see what combination can be done. Only roll off is possible. Rest nothing is possible because no 1 is there in the question. Okay, we have rolled on. So first thing what we can see, 0, 0 and 1, 0. Here you can see A bar and A are complement to each other. So A is totally removed. What we are left with? B. B bar. So we are left with B bar. Okay. Our vertical part is over. Let's see to horizontal part. Now here they both are in same line. That means there is no cancellation happening. So it will be C bar, D bar. So we got answer as C bar and D bar. The answer becomes B bar into C bar into D bar. Got it? Now, next example, if you see, the example says 5 and 13. Again, let's go 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5 is coming here. 5, then 7 and 6. Then the extreme bottom 8, 9, 11 and 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Right? That is how we have filled it. Now, so we got the position 5 and 13 here. Now, the first thing what we have to do, summation indicates SOP. That means we will be using 1. The position we have got is 5 and 13. So we have filled 1 and 1. Now, only thing which is possible right now is only pairing together. So we have paired. Next, we will see vertically. Anything is getting cancelled? Yes. A bar and A is getting cancelled. B will be left as it is. So we have written B here. Now both the positions are in the same column. No cancellation will happen. So we will write C bar and D. C bar and D directly. So that is how you will be solving other questions also, where the positions you have to fill in. See what is possible pair or quad. After doing that, just pick up which is same. Complementary will get cancelled. And then you will write all the terms. Now here in total we have 4 terms. 1, 1 here. But 1 and 0 is getting cancelled. So we are left with A, B and D, where C and C bar are getting cancelled. So we got answer as A, B and D. Same way last question if you see what we have done. We have seen that because of this position only roll on is possible. Remember, roll on can happen only horizontally or vertically. Even anything, any combination of pair, quad is possible only horizontal and vertically, no diagonal. Okay, so only if the positions are opposite to each other, you can make a pair out of it. So with that, what you can see once you roll on, you will just see both the positions 0, 1 That means horizontally they are same. So this A bar and B is fixed here. Only what will change is in CD, this is C bar, D bar. This is C, B bar. That means C bar and C will get complemented. They will cancel. We are left only with D bar and D bar. So we are writing D bar. So we got the answer as A bar, B and